This is the program for the coach curve. We are using these header files: graphics.h, stdlib.h, stdio.h, conio.h, math.h, and ctype.h. This is new header file we are using here. First, we have to store all the values as the maximum size. So we are use the character in buffer 80 to enter the values from the user of a, these are the level of the coach curve. We are using the one coach function. That is, we are passing the level, scale of coach curve and row. Another function we are using that graph one coach. In the main, first every time we have to enter is we want the another output yes or no. So we are use the do another yes or no. Then we are getting the value in the in buffer. Number of times we can enter the values. So we are using the array for that. Then after that, if this is a yes, we are entering, then we are using the next. We are calling this function. It is the graph one code. So for that, first we have to enter the level of the coach curve. If we are enter 1, then there is only one line will be there. Like that, there are up to 5 levels we can enter. For this, we have to use factor. There is a square root of 3 divided by 2, and we are using the move to, like the Hilbert curve. And then we are again calling this function again and again: level, get max access, and 0. The most important line is that how we can use it. If there is a level 0, we can't do anything. We are switch to the to enter the level. If that level is 1, then we can use that we are divided it. So we are using the line rel function. The line rel function, we are directly divided. Line is divided into like this. So we are minus scale divided by 2, uh, and there is a minus scale into factor. For the level 1, we are divided by 3. If there is a level 2, we are again divided it by 3. Every time one single line is we are divided into the 3 equal parts, and then we form a equilateral triangle in between that. So for example, it is a control F. We are saying yes. Then if we are enter level 0, then it is only straight line. There is nothing. If we say that there is a line level 1, then we can convert that single line is we are divided into the 3 equal parts, and middle part is get into the equilateral triangle, so having the same length. Again, for the level 2, again that first line is divided into the 3 equal parts, and middle part is get converted into the equilateral triangle. So same like that, again we are divided this. So yes, there is a level 3. This is a next division. Again, we can be divided it. So there is a yes, level 4. So it is divided like this. It becomes like this. So S, and we are divided. So it is like this. It is a coach curve. There are number of levels are there. If there is a level 0, there is only single line. And if we are entering into the level 1, that line is divided into the 3 equal parts, and it becomes the equilateral triangle middle part. So it will be up to the level 5. So this is the coach curve. If we say that there is a simple coach curve, So it is a level 5. We can directly draw like this. So for this, we are using the angle values and like this. Can be drawn like this. At every time we have to find out the values, so we are using that line is converted into the three equal parts. So we are using this formula. If this is the horizontal, then we are using this, and if we want to use the vertical, then we are using this. That is for the angle equilateral triangle. We are using this triangle, and we are calling this function again and again for the values if the level is greater than 0. And if it is not, then we have directly draw that line as it is. So we are calling here coach function. So this is the coach curve.